Welcome to Arctic Explorer, a tool that lets users look at temporal and spatial trends in sea ice concentration. In the Explorer mode, the tool displays global sea ice data. On the map, you can see the concentration of sea ice with white representing high concentration and dark blue representing low ice concentration. The line chart on the right is used to explore how the average concentration of sea ice has changed over time. Clicking on this specific data point updates the map to display the state of Arctic at that point in time. Throughout a year, this concentration can vary rapidly. To investigate trends in this chart, users can filter the data to be displayed using a heat map to the bottom right. The heat map lets users brush to filter the dates displayed on the line chart. We have two presets for analyzing how sea ice concentration has changed over time, September and March. As you can see, the average concentration for September has decreased significantly since the 1990s. September is considered an important month by researchers because historically it is the yearly minimum for sea ice extent. If you're interested in a custom query, such as seeing how the concentration changes over a particular year, you can highlight all months and select that year. We worked with sea ice researchers in creating this tool, and they expressed interest in being able to explore the status of important routes through the Arctic. To investigate this, users can switch over to the navigation mode, which allows for them to draw a path on the map. Points along this map are interpolated, and their corresponding concentration values are displayed in the new concentration map. The y direction on the chart corresponds to the distance along the path, and by hovering over a heat map cell, you can see more information, such as the location and concentration value. Clicking on a cell renders that month's data. This is the view of the Northwest Passage, which first opened to ships without an icebreaker back in 2007. This passage has extreme international importance as it can be used as a shipping route. It can keep ships from needing to travel south to the bottleneck of the Panama Canal. Along this path, you can see how ice concentration was low enough in 2007 for ships to pass through without icebreakers. The other preset button shows the sea ice data for the Northeastern Passage. However, you can always draw your own shipping routes by interacting with the map directly, clicking to paste a point and dragging to change a point. Finally, you can also click Delete on your keyboard to delete the selected point.